Hey, do you want to learn how to set 1-inch margin in Google Docs? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First, you need to go over to docs.google.com and then you need to set up a new blank page. Or if you're working on one, just open that up. After that, you're going to see this. On the top left corner, you're going to find these menu buttons. Press on the File menu button and this drop down is going to open up. Click on Page Setup. Now on this Page Setup pop-up, under Pages, you'll find Apply To. Make sure to select Whole Document. If you do select it, it's just going to apply it to that specific section. So let's go with the whole document, and right under it, you'll see margins, inches. So these are in inches. So let's say I add a 2-inch margin to all of these boxes. So top, bottom, left or right. I can set it up over here. And then I can press on this OK button. And if you want to set it as default, you can do that from here. So the next time you open up a new page, it's going to set these margins as default. So let's press on the OK button. And there you go. We have added a margin right here. I can go back here, page setup, and I can put 5 here on all of these boxes. And we have added a 5-inch margin on all sides. And yeah, that's it. That's how to set 1-inch margin in Google Docs. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you'll find more Google Docs or other Google related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.